Welcome. In front of me is on a Pad V9, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device, if you can't go through the screen lock pattern to access your device. So if you don't have the facial recognition set up on your tablet, so you cannot basically get into the settings, then the first and the hardest part I think would be to try and remember the pattern that you entered the last time that worked for you. You can give it a couple of attempts, it doesn't hurt, and if you really can't remember the pattern to access your device, then the other way to recover the access to your tablet would be to reach out to Honor customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your tablets, they will most likely help you solve your problem and recover the access to your tablets without the need of removing any personal information, data files from your device. And if this doesn't work for you either, then the other way to recover the access is by performing the factory reset. Now the factory reset will remove all the data from your device, but it will also restore the access to your account. And you can do this both remotely and locally. And if you want to do this remotely, you can use Find My Device feature. So if you have a Google account set up on your device and you didn't disable Find My Device feature, you can enter Find Hub service on Google, log in with your Google account that is connected to this tablet there, and select your device on the list, and then click remove all data or factory reset option, which is usually the last option on the list. And once you do that, you will be, once the factory reset is performed, you will be able to regain access to your device again. Now the other way of performing factory reset is locally using recovery mode. So if you have if you don't know how to do this, you can check the entire video on our channel, and we will explain to you everything step by step, so you won't miss anything and surely won't get lost. So if you need it, go ahead, check it out. And for me, I think that will be all for this video. So if it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.